everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 16, Present Continuous Yes or No Questions. Remember, when we ask a question, we need to use our be verbs first. The be verb comes first, then our subject, who we are talking to or asking, then our verb plus ing. For example, am I jumping? I be verb는 am이잖아. Am be verb, I subject, jumping 동사 plus ing. 대답할 때는 we can say yes, comma, you are 또는 no, comma, you aren't. If we ask you a question, are you jumping? You can say yes, comma, I am 또는 no, comma, I'm not. When we ask she, he, or it the question, we say, is she jumping? Is he jumping? Is it jumping? Yes, comma, she, he, it is. 또는 no, comma, she, he, it isn't. For our plural form, we use are. Are we jumping? Are you jumping? 너희들? Are they jumping? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. But remember, contractions cannot be used for short answers in the affirmatives. For example, yes, comma, I am. I plus am, contraction, yes, I'm. 사용하면 안 돼. It's too short. We need to keep it, yes, I am. Contraction is only for the negatives. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 49, the directions say to look, read, and circle. Number 1, is she playing the piano? Yes, comma, she is. Number 2, is he listening to music? No, comma, he is plus not contraction, isn't. Number 3, is she eating pizza? 맛있겠다. Yes, comma, she is. Number 4, are they doing homework? No, comma, they aren't. Number 5, is the cat sleeping? No, comma, it isn't. And number 6, are the dogs running? Yes, comma, they are. Great job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 50, we need to look, choose, and write the question. In our word box, we have playing soccer, eating dinner, playing the violin, and driving a car. Remember, we need to use our be verb first. he be verb는 뭐였지? Good. Is. Is he playing the violin? Yes, he is. In number 2, we see many people. So we will say they. They be verb는 뭐였지? Good. Are they eating dinner? Yes, they are. Number 3, she. She be verb는 is she driving a car? Yes, she is. And number 4, they. Are they playing soccer? Yes, they are. In part 3, we need to look and write the answer. Are they riding their bikes? No, comma, they be verb는 are plus not contraction. No, comma, they aren't. Number 2, is he drinking orange juice? Yes, comma, he is. Number 3, is she washing her hands? Yes, comma, She is. Number 4. Is he reading a book? No, comma. He is plus not contraction. Isn't. Great job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the last page. On page 51, we will be reviewing lesson 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. The directions say to look and write the correct form of the verb. They, soccer now. Now 있을 때는 우리 be verb 사용해서 동사에서는 ing 붙여야죠. They, be verb는 are playing soccer now. Number 2, she, now. She's sleeping. now가 있으니까 똑같이 be verb plus ing. 근데, our verb is read. 지금 잠자고 있으니까 책을 읽을 수 없잖아. 그러면 we need to use the negative form. She is plus not contraction. She isn't reading now. She's sleeping. Number 3, our verb is cook. He, now. He's cleaning. 일단은 now가 있으니까 it's present continuous. be verb plus ing 사용해야 되는데 지금 요리 안 하고 있잖아. We need to make it negative. He is plus not contraction isn't cooking now. He's cleaning. Number 4, she English every day. 매일 하니까 우리는 이제 be verb plus 동사에서 ing 안 사용할게요. 매일 하니까 we need to use es 또는 ies. She, 여기 y 있잖아. We need to change y to ies. She studies English every day. Number 5, 동사는 wash. He, his car on Sundays. 매일은 아니지만 습관으로 일요일마다 하잖아. 그럼 똑같이 es 또는 ies 사용하면 돼. He wash. wash에서는 그냥 es. washes his car on Sundays. Number 6, drink. 마시다. They drink. They coffee. They drink milk. 커피를 안 마시고 they don't drink coffee. They drink milk. Number 7, she her computer every day. We need to use do or does. she니까 do we use do or does? Good. Does she use her computer every day? Number 8, talk. He on the phone now. now라서 be verb 그리고 동사에 ing 사용하면 돼. he be verb는 뭐지? is. Is he 동사에서 ing talking on the phone now? Number 9, they to music now. now도 여기도 now가 나오네. ing 붙여서 they be verb는 are listen에서 ing 붙이고 are they listening to music now? Good. In our last part, we need to read and circle. Number 1, her dress is long 또는 longer than your dress. 오, her dress 그리고 your dress 비교하고 있네. 비교할 때는 than 사용해야 되니까 longer than your dress. Number 2, his hair is short 또는 shorter than. 비교하나? 아니, 그러면 그냥 short. Number 3, I think books are interesting 또는 more interesting than movies. 책이랑 영화를 비교하고 있어. More interesting than movies. Great job! Please check your answers and stay for our review game. Ready to play? Let's start with number 4. Molly dance. We need to make a question. Molly 춤추고 있어? Molly는 여자잖아. 그러면 she be verb는 뭐지? is. Good. Is Molly? 우리 동사에 이가 있네. 이한테 bye bye 해서 bye bye 하고 ing 붙이는 거죠. Is Molly dancing? Great job. Number 3. What dad drink? 아빠 지금 뭐 마시고 있어? What dad be verb는 is 우리 동사에 ing 붙여서 What is dad drinking? Good job. Number 8. You drink. 너 마시고 있어? You be verb는 are. Very good. Are you drinking? Very nice. Number 5. What Mike and Molly make? Mike and Molly는 they라고 생각하고 they be verb는 good. are. What are Mike and Molly? 이한테 bye bye 하고 ing 붙여서 What are Mike and Molly making? 그 문장 빨리 말하면 진짜 어렵겠다. What are Mike and Molly making? 오, 할 수 있어? Good. Number 1. You drink tea. 너 차 마시고 있어? You be verb는 are. Good. 동사에서 ing 붙여서 Are you drinking tea? Number 7. He played tennis. He be verb는 is he 동사에서 ing 붙이고 Is he playing tennis? Number 2. Is you teacher talking now? Is your teacher talking now? How do we answer this question? 선생님 지금 말하고 있잖아. 그러면 yes. 선생님은 yes, she is 또는 no, she isn't. Number 6. What Susan look for? Susan 여자니까 be verb는 What is Susan? 동사의 ing looking for. Great. And our last question, number 9. What are you wearing now? 대답할 때는 나는 I am wearing a t-shirt, a sweater, a hat, a scarf. I'm wearing mama. Great job today. 135 points. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video, okay?